Well, as the UK also says, and I can confirm, geography matters. And the first place where we feel that now is security. Obviously, there's an awful war going on, and with the recent moves of the US, you've seen the alarm bells coming up in defense-wise in Europe. And I think it's clear for everybody here now, where including the UK, is really taking a strong stance on that. From that perspective, there's a new dynamic in the relationships that will bring us closer. I also say geography matters because we trade a lot. We are, I think, half of UK's trade is with the EU, and the UK, depending on which area you look, is our third trading partner. So it's incredibly important. And I would even say now, in the instability in the world, you do need friends, and you do need partners and like-minded, and the UK is certainly like-minded. Now, on the area of trade, we are looking also at resetting the relationship, if you want. We have a different term, but it ends up being the same. There is, of course, a limit in what we can do because of the red lines that the UK has set, of not wanting to enter a single market or a customs union. We have an FTA, a free trade agreement, a trade and cooperation agreement, which is very ambitious. And the question is, how much can you do without entering into the single market? That said, there are concrete things you can do. The TCA has a lot of potential to be exploited. An SPS, a sanitary and phytosanitary agreement, for example, one of the UK asks, would be something that perfectly fits within the structure there. And as I also said today, economic security is a topic of a more global relevance, but also a topic that we are already discussing in the context of the TCA.